Hello to the team at Elite Hardwood Floors. My name is Jeff Bradley, and I wanted to make you this video to show you some really simple things you can do to your website that will greatly impact your Google ranking. So I checked, and using the search words hardwood flooring in Everett, I found you on page 4, and you're about a third of the way down right there. Got you highlighted. However, according to Google, 92% of people searching on Google, they never look past page 1, and it gets even worse than that after page 2. So that is a huge percentage of people that are not seeing you. So we need to get you bumped up in the rankings and onto page 1, which will multiply times 10 at least the number of people who will see you. And here is how we can get you headed in that direction. So the very first thing Google looks at when ranking a website is the title tag. And these blue lines of text are the title tags. And here's yours. The title tag tells Google what it is that you want to rank for. It's also telling Google that these are the very search words that you want people to use to find you with. Now, the problem that I see here is that nobody searching for your services would ever type in home Elite Hardwood Floors Company. They wouldn't even know to use your business's name in there. And even though your name has the very search words that we're looking for, Google knows that this is your business's name and will therefore disregard the search word that is in the name. That's just how Google works. And Google reads from left to right, and it has to filter through this word. So consequently, this is just all very confusing to Google. So we want to make sure that Google is crystal clear about what it is that you want to rank for. So let me show you how critically important it is to get the right search words in your title tag. If I copy yours word for word, open up a new tab, and paste it into the search bar, paste and go. Watch what happens. Boom, using the very words that you said you want to be found with, you are number 1 on page 1 of my new search. So you are the very first business that anybody would see when using these search words. So that's how critically important this title tag is. Now, this ties in directly with the second issue that I want to point out to you, which is the second thing that Google looks at when ranking a website, and that's the H1. Which is a line of text on your website that also contains the very words that you want people to use to find you with. And the H1 needs to match this title tag exactly. Now, let's go back to your website. I'm going to open up this scanning tool and find out that right now you have 3 H1s. Now, anytime you have more than one of these, even if they're the same, that just confuses Google. Google doesn't know what to do with that. And so this is confusion issue number 1. And confusion issue number 2 is that it's not matching your title tag exactly because you've got you've got home, you've got company, all these different variations in there. So it's not matching, and that's a bit confusing for Google as well. And issue number 3 is that this H1 is supposed to contain the search words that you want people to use to find you with. And again, nobody searching for your services would ever type in Elite Hardwood Floors. They might type in Hardwood Floors, but this is all just very confusing to Google. And whenever Google is confused, Google consequently doesn't know who to direct to you, and then will instead red flag and demote your website. So just clearing up these simple issues alone would have a huge impact on your Google ranking, because it would begin to create a crystal clear channel of communication between your website and the Google algorithm. And another option you might want to think about is on your services page, if you were to create an individual page for each one of these services, and then find the highest traffic search word or keyword for each one of these services, and make that be your title tag for that page, and then give each of these pages a matching H1. Now you're going to begin to skyrocket in your rankings for each one of these services. This is just establishing, as I said, a crystal clear channel of communication between your website and Google's algorithm. So if you'd like to know more about this and some of the other ranking factors too that I haven't been able to mention here, just reply back and let's have a quick chat about it. I would be happy to answer all your questions. This is what I do. I get businesses ranked onto page 1 of Google and ultimately into the top 3 spots, which will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue. That's how powerful it is to be on the top of page 1 of Google. So reply back and let me know. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you are having a great day. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.